morning, student. Today we will continue the chapter adaptation in plants and animal. In our previous video lecture, we have discussed about adaptation in plants. Now, today we will study about adaptation in animals. Okay? Now, in adaptation in animal, we will study about aquatic adaptation, desert adaptation, animals living in cold areas. Okay, one by one. Aquatic adaptation. Aquatic animal are those which live in water. For example, fish, turtle, crocodile, etc. So fishes live permanently in water, and while other animals live both on land and in water. So here we will study about the adaptation of fishes. Fishes have scales on the body that prevent sticking of water on the body surface. Streamlined body that is like a boat and enable fish to move smoothly in water. Fishes have gills that enable the fish to take oxygen dissolve in water. Fins that help in swimming, changing direction and maintaining balance. Air bladder is present in the bony fish. Okay, air bladder present in bony fish that help them to float on the surface of the water. Tail that help to steer the body. Adaptation, animal living in cold areas. Okay, animal living in cold areas. In addition to the two pair of legs, they have thick fur. Okay, student, they have thick fur which keep them warm. You can see on the screen they have thick fur, and they have also a layer of fat under their skin that provide them nourishment in winter. And student, strong hooves for climbing rocky slopes of mountain. Adaptation in desert. Student, adaptation in desert. These are possessed by animal living in dry and hot region, that is desert region. And the animal which has feature well adapted to live in the desert is the camel. Camel is also called sheep of the desert. Now we will study about the adaptation of camel. Student, camel has thick skin which prevent loss of water through sweating or you can say evaporation. Hump that store food in the form of fat, and they can be used when food is scarce. And pads of skin are present under the feet that act like a cushion and enable the camel to walk easily on sand without sinking. And student, camel have long curly eyelashes that prevent entry of sand into the eyes, and they have thick eyebrows. Okay, student, they have thick eyebrows protect the eyes from the sun, and special pouches inside the body where water is stored so that camel can live without water for many days. Student, camel drink 30 to 40 gallon of water at a time. Thank you. Have a nice day.